name is Ruud Knops, CEO and one of the co-founders of Atmos. What I think is really cool is that we, with our product, are supporting people out there in the field who are changing the world on a day-by-day basis, bit by bit, to prepare it and to make it ready for future generations. For me, it is very important that this small amount of time that I'm on this beautiful planet Earth to actually make a difference. And by founding Atmos, I had the opportunity to create a solution that actually helps professionals all around the world to tackle challenges that has to do with the mass urbanization or the climate change, for instance. So in that sense, I'm very proud of what Atmos already has achieved directly, but also indirectly. And I'm very curious for the future.
Marlin's engineering is special because the whole team, the whole development team is challenged to solve a multidisciplinary problem in all aspects. And we have really challenging requirements because we want a high wind resistance, but at the same time versatile and user-friendly drone. But the way we tackle these problems and the way the team is able to come up with a very elegant design, but at the same time answering really complex problems, is, I think, something unique. Marlin combines the effectiveness of mapping large areas and the user-friendliness, so it's really easy to control Marlin, but at the same time the robustness and the high wind resistance. So essentially, as an operator of Marlin or as a user of Marlin, you don't have to worry about anything going wrong because the system has got your back.
Hi, I'm Dirk Doctor, one of the founding partners of Atmos. Marlin is used in many different industries, ranging from industrial applications like construction, infrastructure and cadastral monitoring, up until more research-oriented applications like, for example, nature conservation, geological research and agricultural research. What excites me about Atmos is that we don't stop at our current product. We don't stop at what we have now, but we are constantly doing research into new markets, new technologies. We try to find new boundaries of this technology and try to develop future products that will be even closer to the edge of what is possible.
We built Marlin here because we are located here, of course, but it's also a way for us to ensure quality. By making Marlin here in the Netherlands, we ensure that each Marlin that goes out the door is safe to use because it is a flying object in the end, and that allows us to be in control. We do a lot of manufacturing in-house, which means that we gather a lot of knowledge and skill in-house that allows us to do a very broad array of things which is needed to create a very complex product. And in the end, that's something we need to deliver the quality that people expect.
Very early on as a kid, I was actually already interested in technology. But throughout the years, I have learned that the technology that excites me the most is actually the technology that can provide a positive impact. And what I'm really proud of is that we have just achieved that with Atmos by enabling others to literally change the world.